Hello there and welcome, and thank you very much for coming out and joining me. And I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you a very happy new year and all the best for 2024. I'd like to wish you good health, happiness and lots of amazing adventures. And I hope you all had a fantastic Christmas spent with loved ones and just enjoying time away from work and just enjoying, as I said, with loved ones. I'm back out, and this is the first time I've been out for quite some time. I must admit, not much happened regarding me camping and things 2023. I think June was my last camp, and that was the last time I uploaded a video. And all I can say is 2023 for myself and my family was an absolute shitstorm. One dreadful year. As some of you may be aware, early last year I lost my youngest brother. As you can imagine, that can take its toll. And then later in the year, September, myself and Claire were due to fly off to Rhodes, and 6 o'clock in the morning, the day we were due to travel, we got a phone call from the hospital saying my dad had been taken in hospital and there was nothing they could do for him apart from make him comfortable. And sadly, my dad passed away in September on his 75th birthday. We just got our head around that, and sadly Claire lost her granddad as well. So 2023 hasn't been a good one, but I'm out now and I'm hoping to make 2024 an amazing year. I'm determined to make 2024 an amazing year with some great adventures. I've come out today for a bit of a day camp. I've got my kit just over here. I'm going to set up my hammock because it's everywhere soaking wet. I've brought a bag of kindling with me because I've said everything's absolutely soaking, and I'm just out for a few hours and I just want to chill and enjoy it and enjoy being out in nature. I need to get my arse into gear and get motivated because I just feel as though I've lost all my motivation. I need to get motivated, get out for health benefits really. I put a little bit of weight on and I want to shed that. So get out, get healthier, and all good for body and mind. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to string up my hammock and light the firebox because I've brought some bacon and stuff like out and to have something to eat. There, as you can see, I've got my firebox ready to light. I've got my hammock set up there behind me. I'm going to get this firebox lit now and get a brew on the go. It's a little bit chilly. Get this lit. There we go. Get that in there. As I mentioned, I've brought out a bag of kindling, just on the notion that everything's going to be damp, getting firewood dry, and I'm not out here to practice skills today. I'm just out to enjoy some time out, some much needed time out. Oh, there's all the time in the world for practicing skills. Sometimes we've just got to do what we need and just enjoy being out in nature. We'll get this lit and we'll get a brew on the go. That water's come to a boil, so now we'll make a brew. My daughter bought me some nice posh teas as a gift at Christmas, so from Fortnum and Mason, so very posh indeed. So I've got a classic Earl Grey. I'm going to drink that one later on after I've had something to eat. I've brought a Royal Blend, Queen Anne and Irish breakfast. I think I'll go for the Royal Blend. Make a quick brew and then we'll get some food on the go because I am quite hungry. Put that in there. That's all right, that. Okay. Right, make a brew. go. Egg on there as well. Put that at one side. There we go, I've got my brew. I've got my bait. Let's have a try this. Beautiful. You know you can't beat cooking outdoors, can you? Cooking on a little stove. Just bacon, sausage, no, bacon, black pudding, egg. Just simple things, just perfect. Brown sauce and English mustard together, unbelievable. Well, I'm going to continue enjoying this, finish this and get another brew on, and then I'm just going to kick back and just chill. It's perfect. But this is so peaceful. I feel so chilled. This is definitely the best kind of therapy. Just getting out in nature, just keeping things simple and just enjoying some time to myself and just being outdoors. It's lovely. I'm gonna get another brew on just now and just enjoy being out. Fantastic, we've got the sun out. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but what a beautiful day it's turned out to be. I'm really enjoying myself and I'm just enjoying my last cuppa. I went for the Earl Grey this time and it really is a nice brew. Very tasty. I'm going to end the video now. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my time out to myself and just take in all of this, and we'll see you on the next one. But before I go, I'd just like to say thanks for watching. If you're new around here, please hit that subscribe button. If you enjoy the video, please hit the thumbs up. Really do appreciate that. I appreciate your comments and I appreciate you watching the videos. And as always, stay safe and we'll see you around on the next one. Bye for now. And cheers and Happy New Year once again.